Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to introduce our wood simulation and analysis package in Abaqus. Here we have published it in our website, and if you click on title or blue sign, you will have the full explanation here. First, we have introduction of the wood simulation and analysis in Abaqus here and the Abaqus capability to model the wood because the wood is an anisotropic material with different behavior in each layer, and it would be a little bit difficult to model that. Here you can see some figures of the wood that we use: shell, solid, elastic plastic model, damage model for that in any analysis like bending, impact, I don't know, blast, everything you can see here. For instance, this is the bending here, you can see. And then as the core of the concrete, for instance, here you can see the cohesive behavior between the layers, impact, and anything else. So the material model for wood is a challengeable things here because of the nature of the wood. We have some specific way to model that. For instance, we can use elastic plastic model, but not the routine one, or the damage model, but not the routine one. So here in this package, wood package, we model the wood as elastic plastic model. When we have damage, we use damage model to consider the full failure of the wood, and also we consider in some of the items in the package the cohesive interaction between the layers, and you can learn all the things from this full package of the wood. And we use a static dynamic analysis, nonlinear analysis for that. And here again about the failure and damage model, and you can see here the application of structural energy engineering, furniture, wood, composites, and biomechanics. They can be all applicable in these fields, all the woods type. And you can see here we have 12. We have 12 separate models in this package. And we studied a specific thing in each models, in each tutorial for A from Ka. You can read the titles and you can find all the titles in the website as a separate tutorial, but we gather all of them in one package here for you. And if you are interested to learn everything about the wood and the wood analysis in all the situations like the examples here, the price is 85 euros. You can find anywhere this wood package, so it is worth it to provide that. So the cost is 85 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. If you interested in this package and if you want to provide it, contact me to this email. Then I will tell you more about the content of the package, the payment method, or any questions that you have. So thank you for now.